I love. So we're building
concrete footings.
Concrete footings.
All right, what do you think?
Scary. We're building our deck from the start, doing the footings. Why there's a beer inside the hole?
Well, because it was a good place for it. It's a time capsule. I screwed up the layout because I went by the way these jackasses built the house. See this here? From the outside of the post here, this is called a cantilever.
Yeah.
In building code, there's a maximum of an 18-inch cantilever.
Yeah.
But this, when they built the house, they did a 24-inch cantilever.
So it's
not to code. So I gotta fix it. I want to build it right. I want to build it safe.
Okay, I'll help you.
Alright.
Time to get dirty!
That.
Yeah.
See how that goes. That one I did good. This one I did terrible.
Practice makes perfect.
The trick is you gotta pull on it when you spin it. There we go. Okay. Huh?
It looks so easy to do it.
The corners are the fun part.
Why?
You take two corners that just really have there's no way they're going to stay together. And you take one of these it's called a bag tie and a spinner. And you just have your way with it. Boom, now you got a solid corner. And then this guy, absolutely. There you go. Boom, done.
What do you call this one?
This is rebar. It's reinforced steel bar for the concrete.
Why are you doing that then?
And then I'll show you. Ooh, I dropped the spinner.
What's that?
They're called chairs. You'll see.
I'm thinking about a bucket and a chair.
Right. 1, 2, 3. We'll probably get away with 3 for all, but we'll see.
It stands over there.
Huh? 1, 2,
I think I need 4.
3, 4.
Okay, so what it does is it holds it off the ground 3 inches, which is very important because if this is sitting on the ground and no concrete underneath it,
Yeah.
it won't do squat. So the important thing is keep it away from the edges so the whole thing gets buried in concrete.
Okay.
Thing started for you.
Wait.
Me bang.
Well, watch. Okay, so you bend it
Yeah.
in the center so that it's the same length.
Yeah.
Trick is you gotta pull up and then spin.
Okay.
Okay, don't go too tight because you'll twist it. You just gotta get it so it's snug. Bend over.
Okay.
Okay, so now why don't you do this one? So get this guy under here like that.
Yeah.
Bend it up so that they
Yeah.
come together.
Yeah.
Here's your bag tie spinner. Now pull up and twist. It's tricky, but you'll get it. Pull up. Keep going until it gets snug. Keep going. A bit more. Good. Now just fold it over. It's good enough. Pull and twist. Keep going till it gets snug. Right.
I thought it's just simple because when you do it, it's just pretty simple.
When you want to do it, I can do it. I can do it.
Of course.
All right, good enough. Fold it over. All right, now you need one right here. Don't worry about that one yet. You're making a rebar cage.
Rebar cage.
Yeah, for the footing. Okay, pull hard and twist. Pull harder.
I did the pulling, lab.
And you remember how I told you to put the bag tie on the corner?
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Pull and twist. No, don't turn the wood handle. You move your arm to make it twist.
But it's not twisting.
No, no, don't turn the wood. Here, let me show you. May I?
Okay, hold it.
Thanks, boss. Okay, watch that. Move your hand. Okay, so you just turn your hand and then it automatically twists. See that?
I turned my hand. I didn't turn my hand.
No, you were turning the wood. You're like twisting it. Twist, twist. All right.
That's why. Oh, look at that. Yours is perfect.
Boy, let's get one more to snug this up.
So you do it like that.
Pull and twist. See that?
Pull and twist. Oh, me.
You do the next one. Pull and twist.
Okay.
Yeah, boom, done. All right, thanks, folks. See you on the next one. Here's your rebar cage with your chairs. Okay, position it so you make sure that none of the steel is outside the concrete or within 1.5 inches of the dirt. Keep it well inside the hole, okay?
You mean what? Again, what did you say?
Make sure the rebar does not get anywhere close to where the concrete will stop, because otherwise it'll start to rust. It's got to be well inside the concrete. So let me see.
I think it is.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
It's in the
Looks good.
middle.
Good. All right, now it's time to start mixing concrete. Tell on your back. You want to stand up, tell them. Good job. Making a 120-pound cake.
Need a little bit of water.
Nope, I measured it. It says 2.5 quarts per bag. If you add too much water to concrete, it loses its strength. Alright, here, let me pull this to give yourself a break. No? Your way? Right here, come on.
So you only pour one bag? 2 bags per hole?
Well, no, I did 2 bags in this one trough.
And it was... Oh, how many bags do you need to use for a hole?
We'll find out. Probably 5, maybe? Maybe 6.
Maybe?
Yeah.
It's a lot of bags.
Now I know why people rent lasers.
This sucks.
Let me do a bit.
$38. I'm just gonna kill it.
Still,
After we get this one done, we're gonna go rent a mixer. Okay?
How big is the mixer?
Goes in the back of the truck. It's small, but it's powered in it. Rotates it. And then you just dump it in the hole.
How many hours?
No, minutes. It just rotates it.
I mean, how many hours do you rent it?
A day. Bring it back tomorrow.
What's the use of having this part?
Well, you want to kill yourself doing it this way?
Not killing myself. Okay, that's it.
Well, this guy.
I'm tired na.
Alright, now we gotta.
Too heavy to try and dump it. Have to shovel it.
It's called tamping. Getting the air pockets out.
yeah.
I think I just mix one bag at a time.
Yeah. I think it's more faster.
Huh?
It's more faster.
You don't have any.
Huh?
You lost power, love.
I want to be the cameraman. You just stand there. Sucks.
Okay, I will relieve you. Come on, senor. Ay, oy. Come on back. This is manual labor. It's way better if it's just one bag, love.
Ma'am, you got dry spot up here, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay, meet me again.
Alright, just try and get it more consistent. It's almost there.
It's only one here.
Huh?
Oh, it's so, so I must keep. Ah, that was it. Yes, it's honest.
What are you doing, love?
Just making it flat.
We just made our first footings. 5 more to go. Day 2. Hopefully we finish it today.
Alright, what are you doing?
I'm hammering the ground.
Hold on, wait. What are you doing? Hammer in the ground?
Yeah.
All right, hammer away. Don't put it through your foot or the cord.
Yeah, it's very fun.
Pull! Pull! Keep going. You don't have to go so deep.
I can be a construction worker.
You sure about that? Come on, you can do it. What do you think?
It's nice. It's easy to dig on with this.
All right.
Good enough.
You're not breathing on it, right? Lab?
Try not to. Not enough?
We'll just put some stone on it.
No, we'll make some back. Because then we dump the rest from there.
It's painful. It's sore.
Sour?
My thighs is sore. Sour.
That's deep enough?
1 foot deep, oi.
You know why it's 1 foot deep? You know why?
Why?
Get it below the frost line.
Huh?
You get it below the freezing line in the winter.
Freezing line?
Yeah, the ground freezes. So if it's not below the frost line, as it freeze thaws, it'll lift footing up.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Because when water freezes, it expands.
Oi, you bent it! You bent this one! Oi. No, just hard.
I'll do the hammer again. Love.
Good.
Huh? Move.
Come on.
Move. Oh, may camera.
On the edge, just pull it straight out.
Pull it straight.
Yeah, that's good for now, honey. Pull it up. You can do it. Come on, put your back into it. Use your gluteus maximus. Oh!
One 16. 13. This one and from a concrete. So it's the same thing. Yeah, concrete. If we're gonna put the box,
Yeah.
then we're good.
You want bent, cut and bend? Tab? You want cut it?
Just cut in straight pieces.
footing.
Time to return the mixer at Home Depot.
41 bags, huh? Alright, so we gotta grab it low, like get the tires up here. Alright?
Ay! I don't have power. Okay, go. Hold over there.
Alright. Alright, there you go. Now you get the back. Put it back. Push.